What's going on, guys? It's Greg from GLK Car Scene. It's been a while since I've done a video, but I'm keen to get back on a track and do some more track days after having quite a long break this year, especially with what's been going on. So let's get started with another video. I'm going to show you today how to clean a Ktec racing pod filter that I've got in my Clio, and yeah, I'll have a bit of a chat to you guys about what I've been doing with the cars and what sort of upgrades we're planning to get in the future. Alright, let's get started in the video, and just going to give you a quick little update of what's been happening with the cars. We've got the RS265 Cup here. That's pretty much stock standard. It has some semi-slick Nexon tyres on at the moment. It also has a K&N panel filter and resonator delete, and hasn't seen too much time on track, mainly a road car that we use, and looking forward to taking this one out a lot more. It is due for its service very soon. Over in the background there we've got the Megane 4 GT Renault Sport 1.6 litre turbo. With this car itself, it's also standard, has K&N panel filter. I'm running some Achilles semi-slick tyres, and have done quite a few track days in this car. Last year in my time attack series here in Queensland, I came third in my class, so very happy with this car, the way it's been performing stock standard, but we'll look to do some more upgrades in the future. Main focus has been on the Project Clio T3, Clio IV 3-cylinder turbo 898cc engine, and just had an upgrade with the clutch, so it's got a more of a performance clutch fitted by Direct Clutch here in Brisbane, and feels really good. So I haven't really taken this one out on track yet, but I am very keen, and we should show you a video very soon once we book a track day in. This one has done many miles on track, so hasn't missed a beat. No issues whatsoever apart from the clutch that finally went a few months ago on a track day. And yeah, we're going to clean the filter on this little baby and show you how it's done. Okay, and here we have the engine bay. Apologies if the sound isn't very good, it is very windy today. So Ktec racing filter, which is actually designed for the Clio IV RS, but funny enough it does fit quite well for this 898cc engine. I've done a few little modifications. I've actually added a little silicone hose there, just to fit in nice and tight into the actual cage of the unit itself. So as you can see, it's nice and secure. There's no vibration, and I have also zip tied it just to make it a little bit more secure, but it's done quite well. I'm trying to work on a different battery setup. I do have a little lightweight battery here that as you can see doesn't take up much space, but ideally I would love to have something incorporated to allow more airflow from the front of the vehicle, because the plan is also to remove the fog lights, which I have really no use for. They're just taking up weight, and that will allow more air into it. So the custom piping with the bigger intercooler is there. But yeah, we'll remove the filter shortly and give it a clean and show you how it's done. Okay, so I'm just going to cut the zip ties. And what we're going to do is just get the little flathead screwdriver just to loosen up the screw on the clamping, just so we can remove it. this out. There's a little little pin there that sort of pops into the hole, and then we just twist it, remove the filter. As we can see, does need a bit of a clean, and yeah, we'll show you how it's done. So I've got a bucket here, I've got the gloves on. As you can see, there's a lot of grime on there. I have actually put some protection on this filter on before I used it, but we are going to soak it in some soapy water and give it a massage, and that's pretty much going to be it. Just give it a massage, clean it out, hang it out in the sun. Probably going to go on a clothesline because that's very easy, and nice and simple, just simple to clean. Once it's dry, we can put it back in, but obviously we'll put some protection on it as well, and show you that now. Okay, so I've got some soapy water in here already, and I've let it soak for a few minutes, and we're just gonna just massage it. What we're going to do is going to let it soak in the water for a few minutes, about 10 minutes, and then we'll give it a bit of a massage, and then we'll be back and also rinse it out. Okay, so we're just going to get it out. It has soaked for about 20 minutes, not 10 minutes. I'm going to put it in a fresh bucket of water. I've put some warm water in this bucket. Just going to mix it around. You can see the gloves, how much grime there is. And we are going to hang it up in the sun. Okay, so as you can see, that's the leftover of the grime and dirt that was on the filter in the soaking bucket. Now we're going to hang it up in the sun, and then once it's dry, we'll put some protection on it and put it back in the car. Now that the filter has dried, I am going to use this Penrite foam filter oil to apply that onto the foam, and yeah, just give it some extra protection and then put it back in the car. Okay, so the filter is back on and protected, and yeah, it's pretty simple and easy, not hard at all, and I've got another video to do soon on the Megane 4 where I'll clean the K&N panel filter, so we'll see you next time in the next video.